Hello, we are from NIT Polytechnic Nagpur from session 1920 and we are from 6th semester mechanical second shift. Today we are gathered to present our major project which is paper recycling and paper plate forming machine. In this machine there are three components. The first of all which is mixing chamber in which we mix the paper slurry and with the water. And the second component is pressing section which is in which we reduce excess water and make the shape of a plate type. And third section is punching machine in which we we give the perfect shape of the plate.
Now let's talk about the course outcome which were achieved in our macro project. The first course outcome is during making of the project we implement the planned activity individually as well as a team member. The course outcome 2 is during this project we identify the problem and collect the required information to solve the problem. Course outcome 3 is during this project we took appropriate decision based on the collect information. Course outcome 4 is during this project we ensure the quality of product after every stage. Course outcome 5 is in this project we are taking a step forward for environment and conservation. Course outcome 6 is our project is having an implement on the society as we are recycling the paper and using it. Course outcome 7 is during this project we communicate effectively as we work in the team and divide the work to work individually. Course outcome 8 is we prepared a project report after performing plagiarism check using appropriate tools. Now let's talk about the programming specific outcome. PSO1, that is modern software. We used drafting software which is CAD to make a block diagram of our project. Program specific outcome 2 is equipment and instruments. We use different kind of equipment like welding electrode, cutter, hammer, hacksaw, inch tape, software, tri-square, and many more. Program specific outcome 3 is mechanical engineering process. We use mechanical processes like welding, grinding, gas welding, gas cutting, and many more. Thank you. Programs outcome which were achieved in our project. The first is basic knowledge. In basic knowledge, maths and science for calculating the RPM of motor and water to paper ratio for making the slurry. The next program outcome is discipline knowledge. While completing our project, we completed every stage in a given period of time. The program outcome 3 is experiment and practice. We tested at every stage of project after completion. Now program outcome 4 is engineering and tool. We used engineering tools like welding, grinding, gas cutting, gas cutter, lathe machine, vertical shaping machine, etc. Program outcome 5 is the engineering and society. Our project is helpful for the society as we are recycling the waste paper and making it reusable paper plates. The program outcome 6 is environment and sustainability. We are taking a step forward to save the environment by recycling the waste paper and reusing it and making a paper plate. Program outcome 8 is individual and teamwork. Sometimes we work as a team member, every work together, and sometimes dividing the work individually reduce the workload. The program outcome 9 is communication. We communicate with each other, skills were enhanced during making the project. Program outcome 10 is lifelong learning. While making the project, we gain the importance of recycling and learn how to work as a team to execute our planned activities.
Now we are talking about the working of a machine. So first, the container in which this slurry is made. So we are having a motor, a container, and the gear arrangements for the two blades rotating in opposite directions. We used half horsepower motor and then connected the pulleys to reduce the RPM of motor to a level we needed. So the RPM of our machine is 400 revolutions per minute. In this machine, we are putting paper and water in a ratio of 5:7 and then rotating the machine in which the blade rotates and cuts the paper and mix them with the water. So by that this slurry is made. After the slurry is made, then the slurry is transferred to the pressing machine.
After we achieving the slurry, this slurry is transferring pressing chamber. The diameter of pressing chamber is 6 inch. Then slurry is fill up pressing chamber up to 3 mm, and then pressure is applied by means of spring-loaded pressing mechanism, and to remove the excess water particle, and then circular plate is formed. Shape is formed having a diameter 6 inch and 1 mm thick, and then this transfer to punch and die mechanism.
The paper sheet was formed in here, will transfer in punching machine, where the clearance of machine is 1 mm, only 1 mm. The pressure is applied from spring-loaded machine, which is when the before the plate is a circular. After applying pressure, the paper sheet is
Now we are talking about our future aspect. The machine can be upgraded to limits. The spring-loaded pressure can be replaced by pneumatic or hydraulic for pressing the slurry to remove the water from the paper. Now talking about our project advantages, the main advantage of our project is waste paper can be reused and recycled again and again. The cost of machine is low, and less floor space is required because it is compact in size, and because of less number